guys, me again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, 7 time check, 7:45. Waiting my husband to eat dinner together. We decided to eat in Buds Road, 11 minutes away from our house. Nakita ko siya sa TikTok. Kung ano yung mga food doon, may mga burgers, steak, wings, chicken. Basta marami siya, iba-iba yung mga food niya doon. So, try namin. Tingnan namin kung masarap yung pagkain doon. Kanina pa ako nandito sa bahay, 6:05. Tapos si husband wala pa. Kanina pa on the way. So, yun lang muna guys. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Buds Road. Look at the ambience. Look at the car. This is like a seafoods restaurant. Yeah. Look at the motorcycle. You see, they brought this motorcycle just to put it here in the restaurant. Nice. Texaco. Salad. This is potato, coleslaw. What is this? Apple. Macarona. What is it? Like in steakhouse, huh? These chicken wings, unlimited. And also the salad, it's unlimited. How much this one? Unlimited wings?
55.
55, yes. Yeah.